One day a little boy come to me with his little cute project. That was really awesome. When I was this age, I used to play kabaddi, kanche, chuppam, chuppai and mostly gilli danda. But he made his science project. He told me about my channel. Oh my god. So I decided to use all my skills to improve it. I did all the work in front of him so he could learn something new. First, I need to get my dusted 3D printer. Now I am doing all the 3D designing work on my PC, then I will print all the parts step by step. You know, 3D printing is very time consuming work, so we need to wait and wait and wait more than 20 years. After lots of hours, we finally got our printed parts. It's time to take shower. Time to assemble all the parts, so stay tuned with your homemade popcorn. Enjoy this video, do like and do subscribe. Thank you.
चालू करो।
Now it's time to start.
हाथ नीचे कर दे भाई। अब ये ऐसे है वो ऐसे वाला। अरे उसको कैसे बोलते हैं? Hand rolling action।
ये तुम्हारा लिए रो मुझे दोगे? ए लो।
थैंक यू
बस थैंक यू हैं?
भैया।
Okay bro, it's all yours. Okay, now go to your home, okay, and take some rest. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching this video.